Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to import bookmarks to a new account. Here you can see I have a two account. So I'm going to export these bookmarks from this account to this account. You can see here there is no bookmark. So first of all, just click on this three dot. Here you can see the bookmarks and lists, and click on bookmark manager, and here you will see a three dot. Just click on it and click on export bookmarks. Now just select the directory and click on save. Now in downloads you can see there is a bookmark.html file is downloaded. So now go to your next Chrome with different accounts. So just click on three dot, go to bookmark and lists. Here click on import bookmarks and settings. Now you can see this kind of thing pop will open. Bookmark HTML file, this is fine, and click on choose file. Now in download I have all this bookmark, this file. Click on it and click open. Now you can see your bookmark and settings are ready. So show bookmarks, you can see at the top it is already appeared, right? So now click on done, and here it goes. All the bookmarks from this account is important to this one. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.